Hello friends, I am super excited to show you this product. This is POPOSOAP solar water fountain. I was looking for the water fountain is on my wish list for my small garden. I was looking for it for a long time, and in Amazon I was looking for it, but luckily I got this chance opportunity to show this product, and I think it's a very super quality product. And in this product, like, they are giving all the kit necessary kit to make a solar water fountain. So you can be very, this is completely solar, no battery required. So you can be very creative with this one, and you can make your own solar water fountain with this product. This product is available in Amazon, and actual price is $29. Here's the manual, friends, and here's all the product that they are, like, all the items that comes, all the accessories that comes with this product. Obviously you should go through it, uh, that's important, but the installation will be super easy. I'll show you the full installation, and again I am telling you, you can be very creative and make a lot of different types of solar water fountain with this one. And again, they have a lot of different other products. You can just, in Amazon, I will provide all the links in my description box. You can check out, and whichever you need, you can just buy it. So before I show the installation, let's see what comes in the box. So this is one padding, this is the mounting device, this is the tubing. So I will install it, and there are a lot of different water fountain type nozzles. This is again mounting. So this is the motor. This is a DC 360 model motor. It works with 5 to 12 volt, so very good. And they're giving a filter, which is very important, like so it will protect the motor. And also you can remove this one, and you can open to do the cleaning. So they give all the instruction in the manual how to do the cleaning and all this. Please go through it and follow that. So this is the solar panel. This is a very high quality solar panel. So this will create all the power and do everything. So there's some warnings, you can go through it. And this is the connection that will be connected to the motor. So that's all comes in this package. So the installation will be super easy, it won't be that tough. So let's check what comes in the nozzle. What are those? So they are giving different type of nozzles. So this is, let's install it, and you can see the instructions they already provided, all different types. So step one is you have to install the solar panel. So before I go, you can see you can just use this one in the ground, and use the put this one like this to mount it. Also they are giving screws, so if you want to mount it on a fence or anywhere, if you on the wall or anything, if you need, you can do that. So both option is possible. For me, I will be just mounting it on the ground, so I don't need to do that. So all these different type of nozzles they get provided, so based on your need you can do. But first is you have to put this one, the small one here. This will fit with the motor. So that's part done. After that, if you need high, like, you can put more, or if you don't need that much, and let's say you can put, and you can add more, like, on top of that, and you can get the height. Or you can do one more thing is, any different type of nozzles, there are a lot of different types. You can see all these they are providing, whatever pattern you want. I will show all those pattern, and I will show you. So let's say I put this one, and I'm putting this pad and adding this one. So this will be done. this will be done, and it will be like this. So you can see everything will be like this. So let's go and install it and show you the demo. So friends, this is my small garden where I am going to put this. I put this bowl. My intention is I'll just make a little bit hole here, over there, and put it nicely. That will take little time, like that will be the permanent, but right now this will be the place where I'm gonna put this solar fountain. I am super excited. Let's put this. So I'm putting this one here, and it has a suction cup, so it just stuck over there, got stuck, which is good. And here's my cable. Now I'm putting this pad here and putting this one. So let me put the solar panel. So for the demo purpose, I just put it here. I didn't I will hide it. I will try to put this one little far right now. I just, for the demo purpose, I just put it here, so it will be in front of you. So now let me connect the cable and see how it works. Let me connect the cable. So here's the cable, and let me connect it. So I just connected. I'm not sure why it's not turning on. It should turn on by itself. It's a cloudy day here, so there is no switch, nothing. So this is fine. So friends, it just take little time, then started working, and you can see that the fountain is working. The fountain is working nicely. And let me, so the solar panel is there. And one more thing is, if you look at here, friends, it's cloudy. It's not that heavy sunlight or something, but it is working. The fountain is working. And even if I try to put some shadow on it, then it is working. So this is really nice. Let me put different type of nozzle and see what it does. I love the sound that it is coming out. So that is really nice. I like that sound. It is coming out. Let me remove the nozzle first and see. So this is different. I need to use another one. So this is another one. This is nice. This is also nice. It is not 100% straight because of my, this thing is not straight enough. Like, it is not totally leveled. I have to do this, all these things. I'll do it later to make it nice. But as I told you, it is like, you can be very creative. You can create a nice water fountain with this. And you can see this one is really nice. If I move it little bit this side, and you can see it is really nice. So this is working really nice. I love it. I really love it. And it's powerful. So you can see this one. This is nice. So this one is really nice. You can see this one is really nice. I like it. This is dome, kind of dome, and you can control it actually, how much it should go. See, you can control it. Let me show you. So you can control it, how far it can, how big the dome can be. So a lot of different. I think this is the best. I think this is the best. So a lot of different things you can do. So friends, this is kind of my permanent position. I'll try to cover the part little bit, but you can see that it is running, and I tried to hide that the solar panel, so I think this is the best place. So it looks really nice. If you see, I have something, so this is really nice. Thank you POPOSOAP for sending me this nice water fountain. I really love it, and you can see how nice it is. This is really nice, beautiful. I really love it. So this is really nice. Today we have some gentle breeze here, so like because of that water will move out. That's fine, which is really okay. But yeah, I really love it. This is really nice, and the sound of the water, everything is nice. So, and if you want, if you can put some fish and you can use it if you have small pond, very small pond, very small, like in aquarium kind of, and that will be really looking good. So friends, that's all about this one. And my gardening is also like, I really like it. You can see how it is. This is really nice. I love it. So please let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you.